a kind of eating, a style of eating that appears to be really healthy for you, in case you haven't heard about it, and about how you can get some of those healthy fats for your brain. The Mediterranean diet has been shown to reduce all cause mortality. That means decrease risk of dying. And really, what the Mediterranean diet is, it's just getting close to the earth. We're eating fruits and vegetables out of the garden, we're eating fish. There's a lot of healthy fats. And what are healthy fats? Extra virgin olive oil. That's where it got its name, right? The Mediterranean diet, that seat where all the olives are grown. And this is a really healthy way to try and go through life, especially if you're trying to reduce risk of mortality. What we're understanding is more about food quality than the actual type of food you eat. So you really do want to eat high quality foods, prefer organic. And then how do you get the healthy fats for good brain health? So when we're talking about using a Mediterranean diet, of course, we want to use like wild salmon. That would be part of a healthy Mediterranean diet. Extra virgin olive oil, because we want to be getting in sources of healthy fats. Now, omega 3s, you guys have heard of omega 3s. These are really important for so many different processes in your body. And when we're trying to get in DHA and EPA, these are what's going to come from a fish source, right? So when you look at foods that say they've got omega 3s in them, if it's plant source, it's going to have something called ALA, which is also an omega 3. However, it does not have the power of the uh, fish source of DHA and EPA. So with DHA and EPA, what you want, if you're vegan, you can actually get these from an algae source, because in the fish that you eat, it is the reason they have EPA and DHA, these healthy omega 3s, is because of what they eat. It's because they're eating the algae. So it's for, if you are not eating meat, if you for some reason you can find a vegan source, which would be an algae source. And so that everybody can have omega 3s. And if we look at some of the research coming out, we see that there are clear improvements when people have adequate amounts of these in their diet, in their brain health, cognition, long term, because we really want to keep our brains, you guys. So make sure that your diet is full of olive oil. And I talk about olive oil a lot because 2 tablespoons a day has been shown to reduce your risk of quite a few diseases. And you want it to be clean, hopefully recently pressed, so that it's not been on the shelf forever. When you store your oils, you want to store them away from heat, preferably not in plastic, not in a hot place in a plastic bottle, right? Because the plastic can leach into it. And make sure that it is as recently pressed as possible. And that's my thought for the day on oils. All right, you guys, I'll see you later.